Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Lord Ranganatha gifted Swami Manavala Mamnigal with the Pallavarayan Mattam after he received the sannyasa ashramam. The Lord commanded the Archakas and the other Sri Vaishnavas to lead Swami to the Mattam, and he presented him with all the prasadams appropriate for a great sannyasi. Swami Manavala Mamnigal repaired this Mattam with the help of his Sishyas and built a discourse room called Thirumalayalvar Mantapam, named after Swami Thiruvaimozhi Pillai. In this Mantapam, Swami Mamunigal performed Upanyasams on the Shastras, Nalayana Divya Prabandham, and the Rahasya Granthas. He spent his time teaching his Sishyas, living a life that is considered to be the epitome and the highest example of a life that a servant of God can lead. He further ensured that the services to Lord Ranganatha were happening as per the norms set by Swami Ramanuja. Several Sri Vaishnavas became his Sishyas like Thirumanjanam Appa, Kandadai Annan, Bhattarbiranjiyar and Singarayar. At this time, there was a work called Acharya Hridayam which Swami wanted to learn much deeper. Acharya Hridayam is a work done by Swami Azhagiya Manavala Perumal Nayanar, who is the brother of Swami Pillai Lokacharya. Acharya Hridayam is a work which contains the concepts expressed by Swami Nammalvar in Thiruvaimozhi. Swami Manavala Mamnigal was looking for an Acharya who could elucidate the meaning of a particular sutra that he wanted to understand deeper. Many elders in Alvar Tirunagari suggested that people in Tirunarayanapuram could help him with the meaning. So Swami left for Tirunarayanapuram immediately. At the same time, an Acharya called I. Jananyacharya in Tirunarayanapuram, after hearing about the Prabhavam of Swami Manavala Mamnigal, wanted to meet him, and he had already left Tirunarayanapuram to reach Alvar Tirunagari. Both the Acharyas met halfway, and after mutual exchange of respect and affection, they returned to Alvar Tirunagari. Swami Manavala Mamnigal learnt about the meanings of Acharya Hridayam from Swami I. Jananyacharya. Meanwhile, in Tirunarayanapuram, some jealous people had spread the rumor that Swami I. Jananyacharya had attained Paramapadam, and they told that all his wealth should be given to the temple. And the same was done. After some time, Swami I. Jananyacharya returned to Tirunarayanapuram, and he learnt about the happenings there. He was ecstatic that the Lord of the Universe, Selva Pillai, had taken back all his belongings. He requested Selva Pillai to give him the Vigraha of Jnanapiran alone and left his remaining wealth with the temple. In Alvar Tirunagari, some people who were jealous of Swami Manavala Mamnigal laid fire to the mattam where Swami was staying. All his Sishyas were enveloped in sorrow that Swami might be hurt. But Swami took the form of Sesha, left the mattam and came back among his Sishyas. Swami then, with his infinite grace, requested the king not to punish the perpetrators and gracefully accepted them as his Sishyas. Swami performed numerous renovations and built several additions to the temples at Alvar Tirunagari and Tirukkurungudi. He then returned to Srirangam and continued the administration of the Ramanuja Sampradayam. Alvar Emperumanar Jiyar Tiruvadigalai Sharanam.